Most people assume finance platforms are either too complex or too basic, but the surprising truth about Nationwide's finance in 2026 is how it balances both. If you want control without confusion, keep listening. Nationwide's Finance is a digital financial platform offering savings tools, short-term funding options, and financial planning features. It's designed for users who want flexibility while still maintaining oversight of their money. The sign-up process is quick, and once inside, the dashboard provides a clear snapshot of your financial position. One of Nationwide's strongest features is its adaptive budgeting engine. Instead of fixed monthly limits, it adjusts spending recommendations based on income changes and real-time activity. Most people get this wrong by setting rigid budgets they can't stick to, but Nationwide adapts as life changes. Another highlight is its short-term cash support feature. Eligible users can access small amounts of money during tight periods without traditional loan paperwork. While this can be helpful, the app encourages repayment quickly to avoid dependency, which sets it apart from riskier alternatives. Nationwide also includes goal-based planning tools for emergencies, major purchases, and debt reduction. Progress tracking is clear and motivating, helping users stay engaged over time. The biggest limitation is that Nationwide doesn't offer deep investment products. It's more focused on stability and management than aggressive growth. Nationwide's finance is best for users who want to stay organized, avoid financial stress, and handle short-term needs responsibly. In conclusion, Nationwide's finance in 2026 is still worth it for people who value flexibility with guardrails. Used wisely, it can become a reliable financial companion. Subscribe for more clear, no-hype finance reviews.